What's happening, peeps? It's me, Geoffrey! And, today I'm gonna be showing you guys my crib, because, I just thought you guys might wanna see, where Geoffrey, your main man himself, lives. So, the rest of the room here, you see, this is all belongs to GamerGuy6000, my cousin. But I look down here, yes, you see that? Yeah, this is my crib. Check it out, you guys. Check it out. Down here is my Christmas present. This is the shaving cream that I got for Christmas. This is where I sleep. This in the background, that's a bunch of stuff there, and, that was the outlet. I've been told many times not to touch it, and then, here is it's a picture of, Call of Duty. But you see, guys, look down here, this right here. Behind this boombox, look at this. This is where I hid GamerGuy6000's copy of PeTin RaBBiNT on DVD. So, guys, don't tell him that where I put it, because like we don't want him finding it. Hey! Give me my copy of PeTin RaBBiNT. Now don't you ever take my copy of PeTin RaBBiNT ever again, or I will murder you, hide your body, and I'll delete your YouTube channel. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment and all that stuff. And GamerGuy6000 is very mad about how the fact that I took his copy of PeTin RaBBiNT for a full 2 years, but he has it back now, so he's watching it. I have a bit of a cold, that's why my voice sounds a bit raspy right now. A bit raspy. But anyways, guys, bye! Most of freedom and of pleasure, nothing ever lasts forever. Everybody wants to rule the world. I lost my copy of PeTin RaBBiNT. I don't know how it happens. It's just like 1, 2, 3 in the back.